Okay, my friends, we have this Scotsman ice machine that just came in. Customer complaining that it's not making ice. So we hooked up a water line and a drain and we turned it on. And we're going to disassemble it. We're going to remove these paddles here. You unscrew these two nuts here. You pick this whole thing up. Pull this out. Give you a little exposure into the inside. Okay, we get that out of the way and remove this cover here. Remove that. And then in the back, we took the cover off the back. And you notice here, there's a lot of calcium around this pump, and it's really, it's tight. The bearing's really tight. So it doesn't have, the drain pump is not working. And we're going to try to get it out of there and free it up and lubricate it. Otherwise, we'll have to replace the whole pump. But this is the problem. The pump's not turning, and there is no ice being made. And so we took this apart so we can get to the pump and see how to pull that out. And once we get that out, we'll clean this all up and put it back together. It's not an old machine. This is a clear ice machine. This is one of the better Scotsman machines, more like an upscale or an upgraded machine. So stand by, we're gonna disassemble. Okay, so we removed this hose here for the pump. It goes in like this. It connects to the pump in the back on the bottom. This goes in like this, and then you turn this little wing nut here and that locks it in place, and this is where the water comes out and sprays up. So we move this out of the way. Kind of you twist this like that, and the pump comes out. So we'll finish taking this out. We'll take the wires off here first. Okay, so we took this pump completely apart to try to clean it up, and we got it freed up and it's turning, but as you can see, it's all corroded in here. So we bought a new pump, and we're going to show you how to replace the pump and clean up the machine. There's also a lot of scale in here, and so we're going to take our ice machine cleaner, put it in a spray bottle and spray it, and use a little brush to clean off all the scale, and then we'll put it back together. Okay, let's give it a rinse. Okay, so we got our new pump here. Now the other one, as I said, was definitely shot. Too corroded to even worry about fixing it. I bought this pump on the internet. It's exactly the same part. I paid a little bit over $200 for it. I've seen them as much as $450. So we're going to put this in. I'm going to show you how to do that. And also, we started cleaning the inside, and I need a little stronger brush, so I'm going to take this paintbrush and cut this so I get a little stronger bristle, and I can get into the corners and the cracks with that ice maker cleaner. Make is right here. There's all kinds of different ice maker cleaners out there, but that's what I had. That takes off scale, calcium deposits. So this, what I'll be able to do is I'll be able to get into the little cracks and grooves and clean this thing up in the back there where I can't get in, and then we'll put the pump in first. Okay, so we're going to clean this area up a little bit back here. You can see all this scale that's built up over the time, and that's what caused that pump to go bad, because the water from inside obviously was splashing on that motor over the years and it ruined it. So we're going to clean this up a little better, then get some scale remover, and then we'll get back and we'll show you how to put the pump in. Okay, time to put the pump in. This is pointing this way, I know that, but you have to kind of work it in there. And then this piece here, it's got this little cut out here. You have to go where the opening is, right there in the back. And then you just turn it, and it locks into place. And so you have the two lines that go into your terminals here to power in. And okay, probably should have put the wires on first, but anyway. Okay, that's on. And there's a little clip down here that supports the wires. Like that, and then this closes and locks. Now, this goes into here. First it goes into here. Another clip. And then, let's see, black. Okay, that goes like that. Now we have a ground wire here. It goes like this. Voila. That's it. That's how you change the pump. So now we'll finish cleaning it up inside and outside, and take it outside and wash it down. And we'll start it up and make sure it works, and we'll be done. Okay, we got this baby all cleaned up. It's working, it's making ice, but I let it run overnight, and it's slowed down the ice production. There's something else wrong, so I want to show you right now. Compressor's running, the condenser fan motor is running, and it's running at 60 pounds back pressure, 65 pounds back pressure. Something's wrong. So I'm going to give this hot gas valve a little tap. You see the pressure going down? The hot gas valve is stuck. So we'll order that and get back to you when that comes in.